Hello everyone, Selena Sensei once again, and I'm sure you're ready for JLPT and for grammar practice tests, and I'm ever ready. I'm so excited. So with no further ado, let's do it. Okay, 問題1、括弧に何を入れますか ?1、2、3、4から一番いいものを一つ選んでください。So choose the best answer for each sentence. Okay, we have 10 sentences and 問題2 is word order. Okay, let's go. 私の母は外国人に日本語を教える学校、働いています。Okay, choices are particles. に、で、まで。I'll give it time. Okay, the answer is de. Okay, so 私の母は when you refer to your own mother, you say 私の母. Okay, 外国人に to foreigners 日本語を教える学校. Okay, this is a noun phrase describing the noun here, which says the school that teaches Nihongo. De, so we have de, hataraite imasu, is working there. Okay, let's rephrase the sentence by going back. Okay, we follow the SVO pattern. Subject, verb, object. Okay, so my mother, okay, that is the subject, and the verb is hataraite imasu. My mother works at a school that teaches Nihongo to foreigners. Okay, did you get it right? So for hataraite imasu, the particle is always de. That is fixed. Don't think of any other particle, okay? This is a fixed one. De hataraite imasu. Okay, I hope you got it right. Next sentence. レポートを report 1枚書くのに3時間かかってしまった。大変だった。Okay, choices are も、しか、より、だけ。Okay, the answer is も。Okay, this is quantifier も。Okay, so レポートを1枚書くのに、theのに here means in order to write a one-page report, 3時間もかかってしまった。It took me 3 hours. Okay, this is 3時間も。So I feel it's a lot. Okay, I should have written it just for 1 hour, but 3時間もかかってしまった。It took me 3 hours to do it, and it's so 大変だった。And that was, I felt so, it was hard. Okay, 大変だった。So we have discussed this in my last or previous vlogs where we met quantifier mo in a sentence. So it's a matter of feeling of something, okay? I think this is a lot. And if it is for shika nai, I feel it's a little less, okay? 3番。この部屋に入る、スリッパを脱いでください。Choices are ところに、間に、ままで、時は。Okay, the answer is 時は。So, この部屋に入る時は、so, this 時は means when. This is a time word saying that when you enter this room, please, it says, take off, 脱いでください, your slippers. Okay? Okay, I hope the sentence is easy. 4番、昨日、窓を寝てしまった。Okay. Choices are 開けながら、開けたまま、開けたりして、開けているときに。Alright, the answer is 開けたまま。So, yesterday, and that was last night, yesterday, 窓を開けたまま。I left the window opened when I slept. Okay, to rephrase it, yesterday I slept with the windows opened. Okay, 開けたまま。So we have this grammar point, mama, and attached to past tense of a verb, telling us that something is done as it is, or something was left as it is. Okay? 5番, we have a mini dialogue. A says, これお土産です。みんなで食べてください。お土産 is souvenir. Yeah. B says, ありがとう。じゃあ、1人2個もらいましょう。Choices are しか、ずつ、でも、より。Okay, the answer is 2番ですね。ずつ。So ずつ means for each. Okay, for each person, how many pieces? So 2個ずつ。2 pieces for each person. Okay, so A says, here's my souvenir. Do you know what omiyagi is? It is actually a snack. It is a box of snacks like cookies, cakes, or any delicacies that you bought from a famous place or tourist spot, and you bring it home to give it to your friends or your family members. So in a box, there could be some pieces, okay, from 10 to 12, or depending on the delicacy that you're going to buy. Okay, so, and B says, okay, let's have 2 pieces each. Okay, 2 pieces for each person. So, 6番、田中さん says, 中村さんの家、大きそうですね。そうですね。でも、山田さんの家、大きくありませんよ。Choices are ほど、とか、でも、の方が。So guys, a hint. We have a comparison here. Okay, the answer is ほど。So, Yamada says, 中村さんの家、大きそうですね。The so des here is, the grammar point here means a hearsay. I heard that Nakamura-san's house is big. Okay, I heard it from somebody. And Tanaka says, yes, but it's not as big as Yamada-san's house. So we use hodo for comparing two things, and this would be the nai form. Okay, arimasen. So Yamada-san no ie hodo, okay, okiku arimasen yo. So we have a negative form with hodo. It is not as big, okay, as big as. So we have as, and the negative form. Okay. All right, I have got it. 7番, another mini dialogue. A says, 今度映画にでも行きませんか? B says, 来月引っ越し こちょっと忙しくて、So we have an invitation and what it is. 映画にでも見に行きませんか？行きませんか？ This negative form of verb with question mark ka means an invitation. Okay? Choices are, that's a big hint. することになって、することがあって、したところだから、した時だから。Okay, I'll give you time. Okay, the answer is 1番. Yes. So 今度、映画にでも行きませんか？ Would you like to watch a movie? I'm inviting you, okay? B says 来月 next month 引っ越し moving out, okay? することになって so I'm going to move out, okay? Moving out means to change your residence, okay? 引っ越しちょっと忙しくて and I'm so busy, When you have this the sentence is not finished, it means that you're declining the offer and you don't want to further explain. Okay, so it's already understood that you cannot go with A. So 引っ越しすることになって so I'm going to move out and you use することになるになって which means that something was decided upon. Okay. So することになって would be a kinder form of declining an offer or an invitation. Okay, I hope that is clear. 8番、母の病気が心配。この頃よく寝られません。母の病気が心配。Choices are から、し、で、ばかり。Okay, the answer is で。3番ですね。母の病気が心配で。The they here express the reason, cause and reason for not being able to sleep well. So, この頃最近よく寝られません。I cannot sleep very well because I'm worried, 心配で。Of my mother's sickness, or my mother is sick, so I'm very worried. Okay, so this de expressed the reason for something. Okay, I hope you got it right. 9番 A says, John さんこの頃学校に来ないね。B says, メールしたんだけれど返事がちょっと心配ね。Choices are 来ないまま、来ないで、来なかったり、来ないし。Okay, the answer is 来ないし。The she here is equivalent to から which means because or a word that tells us the reason of something. So A says, John-san 最近 doesn't come to school, okay? And B says, メールしたんだけれど I sent him a message or I mailed him. 返事が来ないし、ちょっと心配ね。So 返事が来ないし、I mailed but he doesn't answer and I'm worried about it. So the she here tells us that there are other reasons, okay? And when we use kara, there's only one reason. For she, there are reasons like 学校に来ない、ね、学校に来ないし、メールに返事来ないし。So two reasons. Alright? I hope that is clear. 10番 A says, トムさんってどんな人ですか？Okay, when we use this どんな means what kind of a person. What kind of a person is Tom-san? B says, 私はトムさんとのでよくわからないです。1、話さないことがある。話すことにしている。話したことがない。話すことになっていない。Which one is the right one? Okay. 3番ですね。話したことがない。So, past tense of a verb plus ことがない or ことがある tells us experience. So, A is asking, what kind of person, どんな人 is Tomさん? And B says, 私はトムさんと話したことがないのでよくわからないです。I don't know because, so we hear another word for telling us the reason, or simply in English it's because. So because I haven't talked to him even once, okay? I don't have any experience of talking to him. So I don't know what kind of person is Tom. 話したことがない。Okay, we're done with 10 sentences and now we go to word order. 11番. So we're going to put in order the words here to make a good sentence, okay? A says, 昨日の雨はすごかったですね。Okay, and B says, 今まで blank blank star blank のでびっくりしました。So the star, this will take the point, okay? The answer here in star. ことがあんなになかった、降った。I'll give you time. Okay, here's the answer. Okay. 2、4、1、3。So, 今までにあんなに降ったことがなかったのでびっくりしました。So, A says, yesterday's rain is すごかった。It's a heavy rain, okay? Strong rain. And B says, yes, until now, あんなにuntil now, there wasn't that kind or that such heavy rain, and I'm so shocked. So I was surprised. Until now, there wasn't that such heavy rain. Or simply, until now, it didn't rain that hard, okay? There wasn't heavy rain until now. So, annani, okay, means such as like that, okay? So, annani tells us the degree of that rain or that kind of rain in this sentence. I hope that is clear. 12番. A says, 昨日の7時頃いなかったよね? So, you were not in your house at around 7. 家まで行ったんだよ. I went to your house. Okay? So, A went there, but B wasn't there. B says, 行ったよ. 変だな. It's strange. あ、blank, blank, blank, blank. みたいだね. Okay? So, ところに来た. 入っている. お風呂に. Okay? Can you guess the sentence? Okay, the answer is 4番。ここね。言ったよ。変だな。あ、お風呂に。ここは3。入っている。ところに1。来たみたいだね。2。Okay. So he said, 言ったよ。That's strange. Ah, he seems to remember that when A came, he was at the bathroom. Okay, so 入っているところに. So we have verb plus ところに, which means while. So while in the process of doing something. So you came when I was, okay, I'm taking a bath, okay. Okay, for example, 食事をしているところに電話が来ました. While I'm eating my meal, a phone call came, okay, or somebody called me. The verb is in 進行形, which means on the process of doing something, plus ところ. 運転しているところに while I'm driving my car, or 食事をしているところに while I'm having my meal, and 勉強をしているところに while I'm studying. Okay, did you get it? So that is while I'm doing something. Now for the last sentence, okay? A says, ご家族の写真ですね。田中さんの blank 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 はどなたですか? B says, それは私の兄です。立っている。後ろに。人。背の高い. Okay, arrange these words. Okay, I'll give you the answer. This might be a little difficult. So we have 2, 1, 4, 3. ご家族の写真ですね。This is your family picture, right? 田中さんの2、後ろに1、立っている4、背の高い人はどなたですか? So A is asking, who is that tall person standing at the back? And B says, それは私の兄です。He is my brother. That is my brother. So let's look at the sentence. 田中さんの後ろに立っている背の高い人、どなたですか? So we have a noun phrase here, okay, describing that person. So the words here are describing the noun here, and that is, he is tall and he's standing at the back of Tanaka-san. So a noun phrase describing the noun. Okay, I hope you got it. So guys, we did 13 sentences. How many were you able to answer correctly? Are there sentences that you feel hard to understand? So just tell it in the comment. So we're going to do this again until the JLPT N4 exam. Okay. See you again. Thank you. Bye.